mamunyina akwaba mi wo case na ena yasan aduru mu nchen bi me na eye fiada ntie na so nyankopon adom ama fiada ba beto na wo so ode aseda emanom ya fa me vim lady efia pokuas waje ye tata wo dem wasaso wo shop wo ka mu a na bia wo tie wa 94.7 a ye da asese wo de kwan no ama yesi emetna ena so lawyer for so de o ma ben o ma lande enene ye ba be kan issue bi ehia pa say Ghana had the chebia accident si anya gas explosion na ye car kra de ekum nipa mo ene so kra de okada trotro wa hwe ya no de apem efa ene insurance commission for penny for the betu just say cars ni bebre any insurance emu be ohamu edi osun 70% omu insurance into ko tna chocho ma afa de gine wani na hwe insurance na ansa na wahu say owobi ana onibi ana e question ukotna okada so a trotro any cars mpo ne 70% omu ni insurance no okada say yenye den obeka say gas explosion Tulip Inn a hotel na no omo fa gas technicians bi so omo check omo de omo agi boom explode ni pa wu omo koka compensation na sem patesika ho asem a company ni metu amochiri na ma mo snap ba ko ene nkro ba lawyer force e obi friend occupiers liability udi obi ba ofie so omeye adwuma ana oye worker ana kra so obedi agro na wama ne kwan a na wo nkire ne se bia efia be chese emra no obia wo case wo mram na se wotena wo na oye hwe ha na ado nsa hye odam rifam di a emra ne bedi ene ye ba be hwe accident why na ye na se de se accident si adrobe ne so omede kokolebu matua wo hospital bills ama enu ti den eno na ye emra no ana se wo se fatase e benya compensation bia ma bia ye twetwa onan nyina se case ebekan ebehwe ni nyina meka obi o se me case Anaa na de bro live ewo Adom TV e wazo ye so ka bi o se ewo live ewo Asempa 94.7 ene entume ubehu se ene kama pa GTP papa ye ne ayediem ene omde abanti we de bronya bebe ojudwam sa no a won se lawyer ti won so hye ne de sa GTP sa ojudwam na anam a wo de court che se ba bia anam bia wo vim na ade nam court nkwa na omutumi hye bie ene omfa enko ma menka obi ezo se ene jumedi ade bra wesusu de wa wunim dada origin 0 and oye kremonia utumenum oye oba utumenum oye oba na nti se mema no am de Friday night obi okra Friday night opese happy yourself what you say but during the week in the opese okono alcoholless if there's a word like that enti anu origin 0 aba man to em diabetes drink na aba na no ekum mema no o ma no aphrodisiacs anyam photo a mon check drink na mon origin 0 and never boam. But we got top ever clinic, so actually, baby, I'll be near so ever papa. Tabby about me said, Didi. Na ye bo. Manson, and chino empty stomach. I will tell lawyers. Oko court and why you bo kama. Judge crowd, Didi, you know, bar. Say in the case, no, we are no quanum. And you may me said, I'm all good evening, dear more than pana. Men Chelsea be was soon. Let's yet him run and ranuni, chokumba gania, umrano. Na obano obi anyam no ne ade ni nyina wahu se de ode mra no ebebo ho ben na mema na omu bu atopakọ eno anto ombuko wan kire ne se wato sebi difo a mama na bu nimpa saa de bi chine gina no amamra na mmia no efe no next time okwa obo yi no ayi no abo wa lock no wa lock ne dia obedem betua ma wa be cheke sister Nesre ama no aba no bubu ompa ubu pa na no wa cheke pan dodo na ubu no ene ho ayi child support wa ubetua ukodofs ni eje wa ose ena me nko me ni adwuma me yensu nyansan bu atopa no adwuma me shada ma ude for phone no ko Facebook real vim lady afia pokua bo se ubetimi ahwe ne ho ana obet odo questions bia ebe maye na mama lawyers akwaba lawyer Japan me ti on ka che Frank boko de ese na say the court or the wa say ho che so case sa o break no judicial break no ka say wanko vacation no wanko say juma de oye ana mo lawyer George Shaw ene London burger papa oye mra no a say Grace you say one just say London ho no in that temple na what dey so na say what dey we are champion ho why we mra no a wo UK no dey abaga na no oye nche ohwe ni court ya eche kra kan ho tum say lawyer dey we mra no very solid lawyer you good evening
Menda wase
obroni ho ye
passion ho ye pa
de nyankopon asipa se wa mo chance se bra na accident asema ebeka we ya branch e bia na na o se okọ baabi one ne girlfriend enanam a che se o mo bon komo sa hu ye o se ono kra de onimumra no ti de bia wona nti o fa baabi a zebra crossing na branch e bi fra Adom FM sa o se na On tia say a friend is zebra cross na do ye zebra. Well say we zebra but I am right should that did name no ama na sign colors nti. So so no fa baby a zebra crossing wo. Ofa hono ma Toyota Corolla be free oh what dia ba be jira na se wo ma no so asuru wo che say e to no sai from brim 50 meters away. Bring to me nya no hwe. Ye no go to hospital. Police for be check you say a driver no e na anya ni brake no e faili. Ye na go to hospital na busuafo nyina say o misika nyina wo no hospital wo no. Say onye den egosi sen. The girlfriend na no na man ko be wai no ke na ja no. Say ono ane nan mienu ye twitwa ete say case ya me wo Kumasi kofa no chi akra keto ye twa nan mienu. Peter we so abrante am say twa nan mienu the girl na ja no ebusuafo say sika nyina wo ho owo case ana say oni case against driver no ana say insurance company no a omo insurance ene ho ho no na say insurance unika no ho so e obey ni den o Japan ma me sha say free ho na say the medical ma akwa badada no case we dey a very serious case wa cancel say dem dey bi wo mti wan we a ye nwie ni ne enso ye bebo e ho modern we case
first mecha chief
omodasi
case we dear main concentrate and cancer so o case ana ye bebo bosso ama we hu ene ma bi ani so ansana yaka den a compensation dey make me aka say obetimi enya bi but se niema bi a ye hu wo paper so no ene ye ka ho asem first o se car abono se obenya insurance na first se ehu se car na abo no anu ankasa wo insurance onyanka ewa so insurance ye betimi afa sa kwan no so se oni insurance na ne ye call after car owner ene ne driver so akwa jisika
atwe no san repeat biem
me say owo insurance ene ne ye fa insurance kwan no so akwa hwese ye betimi age ye sika everywhere na se oni insurance enche se ontimi nya compensation ye betimi akọ after the car owner no so
the car ne ye ne
dia no ene ne driver no so akwa hwese ye betimi enya sika kakra as compensation
na so omo ye sakabo pentoa omo ne hwe so man of straw
eno tina insurance no hu ehia no se obi nka se atorenchem n2 bi anase bibisa but se ye bibisa si na se otu botom na unya bibia embrane hye ne chinchin se utwika de se unya insurance se de wunni bibi wo ho a obe nipa ne betimi akọ insurance for no akọ bibi ayeden atu mboto nti first assume say insurance wo ho insurance no is insurance e be move from that stage to another stage I be say insurance take na e bo ho no kra na e valid insurance ni issue within dates from let's say 2015 to 2016
nti e betimi kra ba say wo valid insurance but
insure you had an insurance but now no enye
valid okay ampa
so ebia you say June 21 ene ebewu ena accident ni see June 22nd oko insurance company bia ho a
na se ye say June 22nd ni kwasiada insurance companies nso nya adwuma e betimi de no so ayo
metimi
I don't see
a good question.
A very tricky area because reasonably, no insurance company be anyone more year Juma weekend.
But the date to cover
yeah. The truth is, almost specific dates on it. Into my case, be a 21. Assembly 20. Inti se echiwa na ayeden achiw inti se eno so ba musa na atwe en ho free insurance o na yakọ owner ne ho se eba mu se e valid na afi na ye ba be go through contractor
insurance company no
insurer no any insurance company any insured ne car owner omowo insurance bia is based on contract a contract within the contract no me ase man fa bia banka ye be good
insurance contract
yes inti ukona say Oye insurance near mouse sticker, ye the book become.
I book be.
Me pacho read near one who dear and near ma oya, ye be ma.
Na ye movie baby any man can kind to be there. Oh, me kram be kasa be the comprehensive and a third party. Ye ni mun susu no an say wo trotro station ono. Na bookman for na ka cho mine we ye comprehensive. Wo me ya comprehensive ne boarding chain third party so ye third party no aye.
Okay.
Obi anti ase ubeti ache mu.
Okay, mama nchem. Insured any nipa na owo car ni owner no.
Ono ye insured no.
Ono na ye insured. Ena insurer insurance company. Inti insured ye number 1. Insurer number 2. Any other person only insured no benya asem no and a third party.
Okay.
Into 1, 2, he's the third party.
Na say ti wo driver na just say wo car na no ye insured no. Na o the driver asana a fence a third party insurance company na but that means 4 instead of the 3 no. And
the
driver no be replace
is there he stands on an age name
Emma
owner no.
Okay.
His activities.
Okay.
Into third party no and into me driving na me de kobo obia ono ye third party. Third party it means the contract no I sign no ono on share that enim but ono ne
obenya hom faso.
That is third party. But comprehensive no cover more than third party. To say o driver na eduabu ato o car so. And uncle Timmy go sue Ediano. Ultimately, Eja, and I say, Obeso, na a conform baby tutu.
Oh, the money, ma.
You can't win. Why now, Cocache?
Okay. Matthias say. Now, lawyer, Abranti, you come back to Abranti any case, no. Uni abema say on to me kind of straightforward. Who is our case, Anaa? Because you're trying to
know. Japan can be. Na. Edika I say car na as I insure no. Say I insure na insurance bay comprehensive as a third party.
Okay.
And sa enu ni ho a na ya ba ayi no so a friend say owners no so. Na owner no kra no anya say change by force na no obetimi dey akwaje won ho. Conditions bi wom ti say bia car owner no say we was in a house boy.
Aye.
We know a nim say Papa Nangaza ne de man no o di ye adwuma and your friend be in the course of duty. Say ono ane de man na o man tumi so mfa nkoye de a ho no omo okay say obetima age won ho but e bia wo kwawia ana say o de kwhwe ne girl bi o e bi na
obi on my yes koto de bra no de do ikaneshi
emra no mo friend frolic of his own.
A frolic of his own.
In general emfa.
Sir?
Yeah, because
or they are both free.
Because in the course of his duty. Inti hono eno no amfa no ena said me brother kai contract angasa no ye twotwo nyuma pii him say wono ka no wodi yese a ye ntua wodi yese a ye ntua intini na wan hwa yes e ka say third party and now automatic.
But kasa dia say nye fair to drivers because ye nyina ye nim Ghana ha say drivers fa omu ni makenkan the omu ni makenkan so only insurance company no wada je no omo bro fa kese no ti say me ko insurance a nya boche nko kenkan sa book no a na lawyer Japan ka sa bro fu ni nyina fe na me ko pe English teacher amu abeka che da be da answer na sign police force gina kwa won be so mo che
nyoma me no I say regulator no or ensure say bia a contrast na de ma drivers no in a country a fan enye literate no omo provide some accesses bia be chiro mo education so wo contract na won ko sukura na pe obi man kan ma na Japan manya iska ana internal sa no the kra no enuntina omasanso aye bibi omo friends and compensatory accident compensation fund internal no bibia amfa aban no ma foto bi da ho a chese
our Ghana accident compensation fund.
Since I'm far, over to my track on mamma.
And then go for go hospital, me case, a crack as and call Boama, ya pro bono, a case a crammer, a crano. Peter, offense so small boy akraketwa ya ka na bona dragging over a distance match say ya twitwa akola ne 9 mienu nyina o 7-year-old boy ode ne to pe ne to no kra half ni wo ama ne chi nyina awro che say ye wo compensation fund bi wo
no
bind dia obey den wanya sa
say car bo bi na say car no insurance ni ho ni wura no so ni bibia e de betua na wo apply o mo eno anye they can say by force anye say aban no I say or edeboa society no nti eno no betuma ma wo bibi ewom na no kra no and as a hit and run car bi ho a o de aba obi ani obi ehun car
no lo woni process o de be omo office wo
he National Insurance Commission
and ade wo de meye hu de pa because be brave case bi aboy bi da yi police hospital cry twitwa ne 9 mienu nyina very serious but could be say in the spine nyina abu from the concosi form chese ni tipe no they just everywhere but we case here branch case here ken by force ubenya police report o say accident here na police for the ahoma bi o mu susu minim so o mu ko Jerusalem o say heaven o mu dey say no chese e was
someone determine your friends the cause of the accident because ebia remember kan ebia ehemu say say enye the fault anas twino
enye no fom so a broni kamfante mam how kamfante
say enye ne fom so na accident no aba anas say car no insurance ni anas hit and run ho no na sa compensation ne bam
nti eno dey sa police report on besu
but na o police report ehia pa because eno no meche say eye we mfum so na say enye we mfum so we no waka wo say break no na afeli na ho no kra enye better sa
sesan
break na afeli a eye free be knowledge no woni mana ukotuka na woni so break asay na akotena ana wonim say ye adwuma na okwa na efeli
nti na say drivers no mo de car mo mate for try mo no kwai asemba wo driver na wo de car
asemba well nipa okaka na no ono na obetumi asi no ba no enye insurance friends under negligence say one take a reasonable care for the distance and as one making sure say because would kaka wo be a friend duty of care to obia any road user including friends pedestrians
okay la mama emra ho na ye hwe eyi na ye ka comprehensive num ne ade abranti e uni case so no say baby ana zebra crossing wo no e ho pepepe no fire one two emre bi o make sure say zebra crossing ne pepepe e no befa nti in this case zebra crossing no fire na car ne be bo no why mistake ana say na nka wo say obi be ka say o say driver for no obi the car bo na akoka say na obo otumi ye crossing na wani twetwe up of potwe wo hu say car na ba
dem nim say once ekwan mu da ho a wo betia zebra crossing say car bia oba bia no oma ogina ema wo twem enti say we gina zebra crossing na say aba bebo wa lawyer for be cause prima facie on the face of it no the fault no if you drive
okay
if you driver no but most of the time mistake are victims and they say ye de car na bomi na ne oda ho amanfo abeso mu he hospital there's a duty ewo so ne say also best start ya gather wo evidence driver say break any failure car ne bo no say na wunsu hu no omo wo ho car ball kra na say strategy omo wo numbers said they will bet me a build case because police report no their way back catch police no and all the begu so nti what can say or no so I can say na police na way there say no near their too
but ade na ball sisa branch we dey also ball no muni no 50 meters away and no evidence be na akofa wo mu da wa bi kra wa falling into coma we unconscious obu okra so wonye unconscious no wani gusu a che say pain no a wo fom no wouldn't ya daja wo around the crowd ya wo no na wo ti che say obeda no abo ama wotumi build good case and a good evidence asemba obetimi ayi ano
say aside say be a war bit me police no so omukọ scene omukọ site ye be we be ka say ace me wa how na we see e say we follow the case now police ne ye no e wo case enye obi case nti one for when ankom na say obi ka say e break na say ye trust say e break na say ye co insurance for no among the list omo no one of the conditions omuntua no say car no ye dey say e ball no whether say a road worthy or not say car na a car papa e dey fa let's say from ufie unim say then brakes in here it means a car na say o dey road into you call insurance when I say edru ho na omo ne wo twe so a because say road worthy o say road worthy now evidence how dey be push no because police reports no the ground that was standing to face the insurance company. Wow.
Mama no say be some babalo na person dey be so
o me bra kan your friend is saying we say abon na munemu na akoda baby ya omo friend baby your friend say reps ifsa
locutor yeah
nti no na say
the matter speaks for itself
and you share nipa wona ma say buntumi nko mun nkoda hosa nti woda hosa na kese bibia no
bibi na di na ko
bibi na di ko nti no presumption is against driver no until say ono e reason bia ba ko kire say enye ono ne fault
na ye court mo na mo court me ade ye hu case bia nkrofo de accident case akwa o matimi nya compensation cause me tan ti bio
oh baby
accident mo mo ye bisa
baby
omo de court mo mu win
yes baby
it dey na be mo win the apart from the work king
one who say you won't start say when o person dey court yes sorry I know for insurance company for them ko see court
okay
embrane say bibi sa no ebesu car owner and I say driver ni enye car owner any driver no
okay
na ya court ni approve negligence say omo ye
wa manani ana ho
bibisa na se court ni gitum sa na court no be ma figure compensation figure say be a 1 cedi 2 cedis 3 cedis court ni de mawa ansa na wako insurance for no akoka chem say court say me meji sika say free mo insure no e na mo ye insurance inti muntua
inti no awu nipa na wapra no wa na wo say onante ho
oh say lawyer
oh lawyer obi a de benye sika fa say wo say me ye trotro mate me mo me brand madi driver bi no onya eyi spare bi mamia my eyi no obi dia bebo me ana me ton ade o ka akwa ho ane afi na me ko falenti police for no anga sent to me for some nkokọ na enye compensation ma
the legal aid for
there be
I'm say no mummy no mpacho mu de mummy no mu ye lawyer so a munyi ni se saade adrum pempen so a wo say general legal council say judicial service say parliament o mutumi sesan say yen hemra say eni se nipa no amra court ansa because enega na pa onim say omo hu mo suro mo wig na mo share
Emma lawyer show a suit in push unko baby well asem na ye dey court no e chere say ye pese court no ehwehwem ye court so ye be san hwehwem baby and yes okoya say ka bo na even say the other party no man ban be defend kura na court no be more prove case
okay
ansa na ya giatu ansa na ya ma compensation into quite technical
but if you can a woman power because a decay a fan woman is car a fan woman is car and one has all kind law very technical into an internet a mind baby soon or more baby to say allow your phobia or what ubia wusika a work for man as a win to me no your man lawyer and I say a binding trial with legal fees because the lawyer over here. But until I know that advocacy na say mo yesterday who here pa because yes there's access to justice very
because nipa no meet the other police hospital wa cripple from ne bosu say be nyina why abrantie case o se ne girl na nko be wan no waja ne nan mienu nyina ye twetwe firi ho na busuanfo ase o musika nyina on him nti se kwa waye burden nti ase wu na kwa na okra ususu abidi amba na o se afa na nipa no kofa lawyer na ansa na wabako na de no de kofa lawyer ya beba so na unim lawyer so me pese wo cheche mu che kan o krom UK ho no se de ho no mra ne te ne amfa ntoto Ghana de no na se ye ka echira ya sha se dede se ye mo because accident won yi de ya tete na billboard to kwa na ekunkum kofo yi eno so je se wa kofa lawyer na lawyer si so kwa se wa unim nuanu etitia consultation ade so fami ko ni bi ni wo this is your compensation. Just say, yeah, Baba, who share a case and I will live Adom TV. So, yes, also at 94.7. You try and one back, near lawyer show, any lawyer Japan. I bet to us what me have say, yeah, the two UK, no, near my old one, it's saying, I feel compensation, no, lawyer, a Japan can, yes, the same the same. Your best is some chop money, or you dear, or my school fees are can only the amount. And I answer saying, Nina, ya Baba, ya Baba, me case and your best is here. Abusian for some mama kwa baby yes I will live Adom TV so any asempa 94.7 asem na ye debate a serious issue enso na ye kan wasem no ye fa me vim lady me lawyer Japan ne lawyer Joshua ene wa ye kan accident a esisie na what bia accident a statistics fi MTTD for e ba che say accident is say kra de kan okada for the second largest causes of accidents na accident be sie na nya mfum so na ye see obi na aye na fe wunni baabia de broni beka se remedy no emu owrem nti ye kase ye ba be check say de na wo se ohu ye kase ne Joshua beka sa no a che say amaye omom ko omanim no omo de ne te say lo a wo na watena UK sa na wa bagana wo de toto ho a se de ye bray ansana wanya kakra na te say te say de ye ka wo sa fe na police afe na fa afe na wa ko pe lawyer na unu lawyer Japan ka say na wo so de paper we wo so mo ani da ho eti say wa broche ho
edikan even at the your friends a basic level no citizens nankasa no because I mean fine education and a fine crowd no my case against obia your friends ono onya lawyer
okay
because they are so abreast because Anaa there are books you try for do it yourself.
Okay.
Into which makoto one who say the process is now make kokota say na say that SME. I know that China maybe to say is a compensation for the kind. I don't know our motor insurance bureau. And to also say no and also go towards helping victims of personal accidents. And lastly, now say na legal aid or my almost limited because now man for so abuse, you know. But the share means, you know, tamaye or say we share means not say
unisika
baby then abana fa we in amount now we deal with case now. And
a whole no the case say because accident near there obi to me winning me a man compensation compensation
because the essence of the thought and say you can say you know say you do see jinabia na
woman na wunya accident no
abrochi akwala say when they say damages no or be do remedies o mehwe say bia say yetumi ya na course ni na ka say wona friend say any one from so dia I don't know you be hwe ni potential nti say ni nine no say nka ogina ho a na nka obetumi aware a ana say obetumi anya ya ade be ma na wo mo say wontumi mfa sika enye but o mba ye no in a way bia e che say be satisfy kakra they say obi a case bia me ya girl no or university Anaa car na bon
oh
very bright girl
what being punk a first class student can I bona mo
and also no future islands no be project say in a normal a students no the chances of onia judgment to be calculator could do that time no we discussing na kan
Ghana case na okay
how can me show that your friends say issue
but they okay our students in there broche case
but you do we yeah nti entumi nka ho asa
and then munyi sika no mo ba munyi sika no because we there lawyer mpacho che say eba ne say ye hu say wadi mfom so tsa brant edie say the oka no police for report ko ache say driver no was at fault obi anso man ni brake na fail and o de abeku no ojinile mu pepepe o zebra crossing no so ono wa ye mistake nti e say yes sen compensation na ye beden almost the same
no basically no ye behwe nipa ban a oye that is first but before that no so maminka say ebia okoda hospital a doctor for boy pa ewo ejuma na e ombehwe nipa no ene ejuma oye na injury no so awanya no normal omo said you calculate no ni doctor for calculator ni bi ombehwe normal tro ebia ye hwe anka accident ni see anka ye 100%
am pass percentage you know
accident ni see ye hwe aba beka 70%. It's based on that no I know ultimately a project say e betimi akọ do say as I said no obia ye different footballer and in nature different from obia onenam feature in nature enti ye behwe woni paban awoye adwuma awoye ansa na me catch you say ene ene bia won se twa obenya 10 cedis na me bia me twa on but ye behwe wu nipa no factors around you wa worry oyerenom ye say o maye say adwuma ben na wo ye keka I say mathematics o ka bibom na wat bi afrim na fi wehu inti ba eba na beto ye nim as lawyers na issue a ye project say after yes ye be keka ne mabum sa e bia ye behwe e bia ye be beto be say 400,000 Ghana cedis. Ya de kokota judge no so behwe o say 400 de bia esododo ma yenti sombra kakra na ono so omno ewo ni judge ka dia na eno no
ho kwan say bia we carpenter ukoye adwuma eno po de last week ka ho asem kakra say bia driver obi ede car na bo na driver say oh me de na ko hospital oduru hospital no o je sika be 10 million 10,000 Ghana cedis at hospital for say fan show eno oto kotua wato akutuo kakra wato milo wato milk kakra no de abrew o say eno ano no obi betimi ayisa no aka say de mra no waye no nti that show eno ano suffice
there's nothing wrong bibia nsi hu kwan say bia obeto nkosia ne eyi na akwa but eno stop case no sir and stop case in any way
betimi ate wo kaso
eno isa
sir isa because afena peko judge ye be assess u injury no enye de wudi akomu ya ma okosua one critter oye den ukoda hospital a obedidi eno kra no yetimi work ya work kan compensation na sir
yes
aduane a woda hospital na wudi no
obi wo ho a
na law we nyina wo Ghana ha law be no
normal like tort negligence okay negligence. The person call for damages within that time now oyare no and then na special care be na
unya no okay
in fact there's one Jamaican case I think say I have it on my laptop nipa no koda hospital no ni maame ba behwe no ni maame e ba no o de
nkuto
or the towel aboy you know the nyina judge ne calculate ka ho say edwuma na waye within that time say oni ho a anke obe high obi eniema we nyina ho me ya anka mesre say the Ministry of Education omomfa basic law no omomfa nhyase JSS ne SS said obi a behu because
sankasa asem no be mama
okay
legal education
the Ministry of Education law na enye se obewie school ni nyina ansa na waba baye yen start primary kakra na edi shem na omuhu JSS SSS by the time obepie no na bibia mbo ni ho ene akola hood police kra na odwane inti mesre see the back on
and a very serious assembly work and balo sure membusa say sa case said only abema can say ye calculating say ne ade ansa na ye hu no ese say sa ansema ya bobosu nyina udi ho dance say why ansa na calculation na ba
and what they receipt beba say nikoto a draw we say and the receipt in the hono and say man hours come I mean or did a tower on the baby pan hono think one by ya or bit mark ye juma bi and as say of our nessa okay bet you I but you say I be a friend camp the piano ya calculated that when such a sky at Bema with teacher
itemizing on that and a war I thought I restaurant here got a body and a
footballer who say we call insurance companies most of them and they're omoyado for negotiations make sure some of them no obeko to say the worker will say 40,000 Ghana cedis onaetra 20 Ghana into nipa na oni negotiating ya the list na man dey da into wo pay so aka 40 now pay 50 kra now
wow
but I sell court no within their institution
normal yeah intina we no we the American you know court document lawyers into ono insurance no ntimi kan jo say 40
in fact I want na me person me ban say my insurance company na kasa determine ne dia that is all you see the discretion because insurance insurance now the entire say cars and baby credit insurance say obeye be 2-3 years now unya accident no more discount no omo invest discount no more di oh ntu unya accident ba kwa fe no mo no be remra me wa unya accident no mo oh na hu we nti ye ntua
because I no I court no near aban no na commission experts doctors and no my ISI no nti say an authentic document I say Bible for personal injury
nti who say the only abema kase ka be yenye law hu yenye bi Ghana
within Ghana no I think in the 60s and 70s the almost review of Ghana law.
Okay.
So within
just describe more
those times no almost selected cases are courts lady. Near here say abnormal case we ninsa try carbon no wedi 18 compensation no court no man say inti e won bebre aya list inti lawyer no kwa fa onim say we me hwe na ene abnaka mansa de ne the same there because menya BBC but me sheda hu
I say advocate no we yes ad na hia pa
but say lawyer dey ha me say we aye kan nyina branti aye twa na mienu ne girl eja no say oni obi a be ma so aye branti onu ba bia otewa na afro de picture send asumesi wari o asumesi awo eno cry depression very depressive for that person to even go through that because onyaya kabana on so aware and can we say all this thing he's going through it they have many say adenti na chinchini e was say court asana wenya sa remedy we nyina
there's one very important thing yenka se upra ewo embremo you have 3 years
limitation
decree above
1 2 3 years se ubeko quarter ubedi sa
case no
no wakwakoy wankoye na se kotwem
untumi nye case bi
of course insurance company obeka say jo I don't know about 3 years no who
I like said okay jo
about 3 years you ntimi nya ho hwe there are cases like that
se upra na wotena se ya mfie miensa na ukwa unihwe
mostly no that is the strictly speaking only but there's a way I me apply to extend it for I think 1 year
and also
apply reasons to the court say anything na mama me amba
because obu on o koma watore mum onkasa obu on so oda on the busu ani obi ani hwe na otumi back out no be chem say oh na minim but afedie me hu mra ne say nanka me wo kwan
ignorance in your head kakra I only the head kakra
ignorance dey be mo
what the bed pa I thought to me show exceptional just say ade bia enye wo mfum so and into went me amba nti say obi a wo so wa ekoma nti wa ekoma na say obi a ni ho ono nkwa na ti na obi a nya na say afi na wakonya like lawyer Japan obi also be ya man na pa ono akopa court ni chewa I don't know exceptionally no betimi dia o mama
I see 3 years wow nti Mr. Abusiafo asem na ne aka no say unya akwahia na accident so obi na de car ball na say nsuo ya tutoi no billboard about 3 years or so court one court and they said the lawyer aka no na che say ajegon na so mesre wa uni muntini e wo ha ntini ene ye kan accident cases okada odien yo obi ahye gas explosion be ebi mo hye omo amabusuafo prepra no me ade nyina what's up for court emra so na enti lo am pacho me ko break but before break no right say adwumawura ebi a ne car na ode nam na wakonya accident adwumawura ne car na ode nam no wonya accident o obeka so ye ben wa obusuafo snap ba ko na omo de tu ambulance amam ko pedro bi no ade na say awie obeti makasa
there be
omo mu twi company cars ni o say na say company car fo ni bi moto so man ni say car de omo de distribution na bi obi de akodwira wo company beti makasa o de be ma o snap ba ko bi na fo asem so ko ade mu wo awie
na e ka say one kasa oti ho a yi wo yi boni
true
say bibi sa sia bo obi amane no onma da akwanche snap say ye hwe state na na at least ye pay compensation a ebe ma watimi ebe ma na timi ato wakoma so kakra ona etwa ne ama snap a o de hoye de
obokra ba tiato
so obokra ba tiato
say ne obo na dey forget to how forget to how apiona na be because
there's the need say citizens no ebetimi ehu say bibia na ye be consult lawyers no ebi wo krom na say bebre throw exams bebre so ba ye be bon pa say bebre so be ba be kan ho say dey otwa wani wo bibia obehia bi
benya lawyer
at least no we bisa na say ni na
somebody ni free nko ade no yasem no
bebre free
yeah proponent dey ho na say be yo but unim ye na ne homra ye ba ne aba beto aso say ebi a lawyer fo ni bi wo he wo court ya na bebre wo court dem wo ko bebi a say o masi new court complex o mo koko affairs so ya lawyer fo bebre na mo nom o koko ti so mo ho obi wo no ma on busa no kra o be che fa ha ye say enu ti kra na ye de me o case na aba tv so ti me se onya accident a wo case ye mra ne mehwe de aka no se be yo ye hwe se de ba o nsa be ka on patasika no mo case na ma me ka o se tabia ba me se didi Friday say didi na ye de obeye oti ase na wi akọ top eba clinic am ya hwew e ma na mo pa wo no de wo fichire che se odaye num ne ade ha wo nyina wa ya se edwo wa che se obi abeto nka wo inside ho no am ya ato nka pa ensa so de papa no ni origin zero obi enim papa ye na ne homra ye nto aso Asamu makwaba bio still ayo Adom TV so na ye wia anisa enne ye kan accident akwanhia ehom patasika compensation ene mra no se de tie lawyers a chere dada se unya case no ho no aye ne ntem fie miensa betwem a wanhwe a bechew unya case bi after 3 years ntumi nyere ewo ha ewo so hu se ho no bibia obenya edi adanse police report odien yo adansefo bia obenya no o se no se etumi bo na ye wie no yera Kofi Apente no say if it's true say some lawyers and insurance companies no wo mo chada ye kanana ene wo mo yes say compensation e be mo ma ye kanana no mo ko dis Canada na umum no o da ho ana question opese obusa Kofi Apente mebusa lawyer de ama na Michael Jablez zigi sing if you am hwe mo live Esther ohima aboaje no se me so me hwe live ene meni age compensation ho asem a mo kan in fact lawyer for bi driver for bi di enya pa eje Michael I say, oh, sister, if you're not going to na just abri. Ugusu wa na mo ye adwuma de asum Ghana ma wono lawyer fu. Richard Mensah say Ghana compensation. Sister, if you now they unko na hunim za de no Ghana de. Omumu okra o compensation for the way. Doreen Asantoa o say me show live. Na yemra na yemeto asem so. Na abranche ba ko ka say no kwese ya sometimes. Mo ye kana na there's a collusion. Abro ni be ye collusion between mo lawyers and insurance company. Na ma fa ho akwaje
we meet bi akata ma
typical lawyer you speak for only yourself
when say against my ethics because once I befa will be a case no I say we pursue no vigorously she say we do wa ho din na ye ma no dey say ne saka no ne chefa no I say ne saka na on no waka say min gini say a lawyer bia why no what to know so be side my Obeko now on insurance for akoye baako now the CCI esakra na with the ejuma number for because sa learned friend that lawyers and about integrity, ethics and things like that. And so no me who be sir. And me the bit man can find.
Lawyer na sa asem na branch en busa so collusion mo ye kana na yi.
Well, Miss Mekasama.
Bibia sa unuanum bi
Matibida. But mean for many enhu ye no means mean kan ho asem. But them mechanic say o the case ma lawyer no una wa employ no.
Okay.
Say wudi echi say o file paper ba kumpo a say ma me copy.
Wo kan so busala nzo mo
ko nyina eye wo property enye lawyer ne property.
I see.
Enti said you obehu mu say lawyer no anase kululu bia embem no dinechi
na so hunehuna we lawyers bebre hunehuna nkofo pa
hunehuna wa de baby ye baby so hunehuna lawyer for for general legal counsel obetimi de na koho enti di case echi na fe try say unsu behu na ma lawyer no en check every step out beku
mama na etie for uni ma se mo Nyankopon ya Adom ye beto aso next week di lawyer Joshua and lawyer Japan me dey mama se mo next week there was some dey chaye na yes am beto aso compensation is a very serious issue and gas explosion ba enum ne accident okada fo ya another wahala una mo baby wani na ho so no dey about the bono aferi ehe fa na issue ne beba next week Nyankopon ya Adom no dey yankwa chaye ye ba beto aso oni me dey mama na wa say lawyer George Japan Frank Japan any lawyer Joshua any na twetwe enkomo Nyankopon cha production team Prudence Michael munyina yadamas Gempa Law Faculty Nyankopon yad much na ye be share bio